Welcome to the Platform Engineering course. Over the next 6 months, you'll master the skills needed to design, develop, and maintain robust software platforms. Learn how to build scalable and efficient platforms that support a variety of applications and services, understanding the full life cycle from conception to deployment and operation. Gain in-depth knowledge of platform engineering and the skills to design scalable and reliable platforms. You'll become proficient in using essential tools and technologies for platform development, focusing on scalable architectures, monitoring and logging solutions, and optimizing performance for maximum efficiency. Get hands-on experience with real-world platform engineering projects, applying what you learn to solve practical challenges. Learn how to build scalable and efficient platforms that support a variety of applications and services, understanding the full life cycle from conception to deployment and operation. This course is perfect for software engineers, architects, IT professionals, and anyone looking to specialize in platform engineering. With comprehensive video lectures, code repositories, and reading materials, you'll have everything you need to succeed, including access to research papers, practical assignments, and cloud-based development environments. Join us in the Platform Engineering course and take your career to the next level. Enroll now and start building the platforms of the future.